Welcome to Caboolture Haven. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code in the description or by clicking the link provided. Nestled in a serene area near Brisbane, Caboolture Haven is a 4-star hotel designed to offer you a private and comfortable experience. All of our rooms are fully air-conditioned, ensuring a pleasant stay no matter the weather. We focus on providing privacy, making us a great choice for couples or solo travelers who want a peaceful retreat away from the city's noise. Check-in is available from 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in and unwind after your travels. Checkout is at 11 a.m., allowing you a relaxed morning before you leave. Please be aware that while we welcome guests of all ages, there may be charges for children. We also provide laundry services and a washer for your convenience. To keep the fun alive, we have a games room equipped with a variety of engaging games, great for families, friends, or couples. Caboolture Haven is perfect whether you are here for business or leisure. Remember, booking is easy. Just use the QR code in the description.